At kasama nga natin ngayon si The Empress. Isa siyang drag queen. Oo, ito ay ang kanyang trabaho.
Isang drag queen.
Isang magandang umaga, The Empress.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Outside of The Empress, what's your name? What name do you go by?
Chris is my...
Chris. So, what do you prefer? Can we call you Chris outside of drag or The Empress still?
Sure, you can call me Chris.
Chris.
It's fine.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Chris, eto nga pag the drag queen mo, when did you start ba?
Well, to some people na hindi nakakaalam, I was a drag queen way back 2011. Drag wasn't really as it is right now. It majority kasi is impersonation, divas, lip syncing, and those basic things. So I started 2011, and then 2012 I stopped, and then I came back last year January, and I'm learning the new form of drag now.
So, eto nabanggit mo nga na iba yung drag before
Noon.
at saka yung ngayon. Kasi before sabi mo parang impersonations lang or whatnot. Ngayon, ano na ba siya?
It fully transformed kasi from looks to fashion to makeup. It's very different now kasi the formulation, I guess, of makeup before is quite different as compared to now. Now, very intense yung makeup ng drag, ganyan. And you need to be creative in a way. So, every performance has an idea now. Dati kasi salang ka lang, it's okay. And then now, there's an idea behind what you're seeing or the performance.
May tema.
Oo, parang naging total sila performance na, 'di ba? Performer.
Performers talaga.
Diba?
Kasi before, totoo nga naman yung sabi ni Chris, like when you go out, as long as, ang sabi kasi nila, ang drag queen is an impersonation of
Yes.
the females. So, literal na-exaggerate yung pag-i-impersonate sa isang babae, tama? So, para sa mga drag queens before, you just go out like looking like a female, okay na siya. Pero ngayon kasi sa mga napapanood natin, kasi nagiging mainstream na rin siya,
Oo.
ang drag queens na ngayon dapat meron ng idea dun sa sinusuot, sino ba sila, ano ba yung
Gaya?
pinanggalingan nung
Oo.
sinuot nila. Like, ngayon,
Ano?
si Galinda.
Galinda kasi.
Pero hindi pa masyadong OA ito. Very
Oo.
simple pa ito, di ba?
Oo.
Si Galinda from Wicked. Oo, diba?
ikaw ngayon.
Yes. So, yun yung difference niya, Pero, matanong ko lang, ano ba ang itsura ng isang araw ng isang drag queen?
Well, it starts with rehearsal. So, maagang nagigising mga drag queens. It starts around probably 2 p.m. Nagre-rehearse na yan. And then, at night, the show, yon. And then, after ng show, yun na. You can prepare to go home or you can stay at the bar.
So, paano po yung mga damit na sinusuot po natin? Like, may mga kasama rin po ba tayong mga wardrobe na tao para tulungan kayo? Or ikaw mismong drag queen yung magpo-provide ng mga isusuot po ninyo?
Yes. Ikaw magpo-provide ng sarili mong damit. Ikaw rin magdadamit ng sarili mo. Magpapatulong ka na lang sa kapwa mo queens sa backstage. Yan.
How long does it take for you to finish a makeup before the performance?
Well, a majority of drag queens now would finish their makeup mga siguro 1 hour and a half. Ganon. Ako, I really finish my makeup 1 hour and a half. Ganyan. Iba kasi yung drag makeup. It's intense and it's different.
So pati po yung pag-makeup kayo na rin gagawa. Paano po 'yon kapag po parang everyday yung performance ninyo? Kailangan din po ba everyday, iba-iba din yung look na makeup natin?
Not necessarily.
Ooh.
Kunwari may theme ka lang for today, ganun, gusto mong baguhin yung makeup mo, it's fine. Ganyan. But you can stick to how you exactly would like to look like.
Kasi yun nga rin sabi nila, di ba? May times na meron kang identity pagdating sa makeup mo. Kasi dun ka din nakikilala bilang isang drag queen. Kasi parang, for example, si Trixie Mattel.
Yes.
Si Trixie Mattel is an American drag queen who joined RuPaul's Drag Race.
Yes.
Tapos, makikilala mo talaga siya because of the intensity ng, anong tawag mo doon, yung contour niya sa cheeks. Literal na nakalinya po talaga yan. Pak! Ganun talaga siya. Tapos yung kung gaano kakapal yung eyeliner niya, yung eye makeup niya, makikilala mo kaagad siya like Bianca Del Rio, yung mga ganyan. Si Eva La Queen from the Philippines naman. Si Marina Summers, yung mga yan. Si Kiana. Makikilala mo kaagad sila dahil sa mga makeup nila. And ikaw, personally, do you have a specific look na pinapakita sa audience?
Yes. So, mayroon akong signature look. Yun na yung parang standard makeup ko every time I come out and perform. Ganyan. So, it's also part of branding. So, yun yung sinasabi niya kanina na makikilala ka because of that. So, other than your makeup, of course, your fashion is also there, your hair and all. It's an overall package, kumbaga.
So, saan nyo naman po kinukuha yung mga source like dun sa, when it comes sa fashion, sa mga damit ninyo?
Some of us have friends that are, fashion designers. Yung iba, binibili online. We also have a drag community on Facebook where they sell wigs, outfits, ganyan.
At saka maraming mga drag queens ang marunong magtahi.
Yes.
At saka mga designers talaga yung
Yes.
mga yan. Pero eto, matanong ko lang, kung may mga nais din ba na pasukin itong industriya ng pagiging drag queen or maging isang queen per se, mahal ba?
I would say yes. Mahal maging drag queen. So, from wigs to outfits to makeup to yung effort mo, syempre, for going out for performing, sobrang mahal siya. So, it's very much appreciated. Yung tip na binibigay ng mga customers,
Yes.
that's very much appreciated ng mga drag queens kasi mahal ang mag-drag.
Sobra.
Tapos, ang gagaling nila mag-perform. Doon po ko
Totoo.
nabibilib. Doon, kaya nung si Marina Summers po kasi, idol na idol ko po siya.
Oo.
Doon yung nag-start na ma-discover ko po ang mga drag queen
queens.
dito sa Philippines. And simula po nun, nanonood na ako ng bawat episodes nila. And ang galing kasi sila talaga gumagawa ng mga costumes nila. Pati mga looks.
Oo.
Na-inspired po ko na...
Ganun talaga kami.
Ay! Oo, ganun talaga kami.
Hindi pero marami ding misconceptions kasi before kasi, of course, drag queens, we all know that the majority of the members or majority ng community ng mga drag queens ay from LGBTQIA+ community. Ano yung mga misconceptions ng society towards sa mga drag queens?
Well, there's a few, pero I don't think it would be a misconception since nababago na yung pananaw ng tao because of RuPaul's Drag Race. There's already a shift to knowing na ang mga drag queens are performers. They are staunch advocate. I am an advocate for the LGBT rights here in Baguio, and I would really fight for the LGBT rights. So, part of my branding as well is fighting for the rights of the LGBT and activism. So, I think wala na siguro masyadong bad misconception. It's more on the good side now kasi there's light sa drag. So,
Yeah. Pero marami rin kasi tayong nakikita sa social media ngayon, especially. May mga drag queens kasi. Ang alam kasi ng karamihan ng drag queens ay para lang sa gabi. Pero meron ng mga breakfast
yes.
brunch, o mga brunch na performances ng mga drag queens din. So they go out in the morning wearing who they are as drag queens. So marami din sa mga close-minded pa rin na kapag nakakakita, what are you wearing? 'Di ba? Why is your makeup so heavy? Bakit sa umaga ka lumalabas, panggabi ka lang?
Tama
O,
po
hindi
yan.
po balot ang mga drag queens.
Hindi po balot.
Hindi balot ang mga
May
drag queens na sa
specific
gabi lang
time,
pwede.
oo.
correct.
Diba?
Yeah, that's also, I guess you can take that. So it's a nice, I guess, insight na there's also drag queens in the morning, and I don't think there's a time for drag, no?
Yes! Wala.
Hindi naman siya pang evening or something.
Oo.
Sabi ko nga, hindi tayo balot. I don't consider myself as a drag queen kasi number one, hindi ako performer. Hindi ako marunong mag-perform. O kung magiging drag queen man ako, doon ako sa, anong tawag mo doon? Comedy queen.
Yes.
Sa comedy queen. Kasi there are
Different
different
branding din.
yes, ano ba yung mga
Queens.
alam natin?
So meron mga comedy queens, there's still impersonators na drag queens. Meron din tayong drag queens na performer, total package like Marina Summers,
Yes po.
sing and dance,
Yes.
like Maxi and
Yeah.
campy queens, yan ang forte ko, campy and comedy. So
Yung campy kasi, kunyari pag sinabi nila na ang tema mo ay sabihin nating naglalako, mga maglalako sa labas.
Yes.
Imbis na ikaw magsusuot ka bilang maglalako, ang isusuot mo yung nilalako.
correct.
Ah,
Yes.
Parang mga ganon, very camp.
Ngayon
Yes,
ko lang
makulit,
naalala.
makulit din ang camp. Yan.
Oo, yun, maganda din maging camp kung
May
tutuusin.
ask po ako, like, ang mga nasa LGBT community lang po ba ang may, like, pwedeng mag-drag or even like other gender po?
Oh, that's nice. You
Yes.
you brought it up. Actually,
Oo.
ang drag is not really specific for the LGBT community. We also have Did you know that there's a straight drag
Yes.
queen here in Baguio?
I hear!
Yes!
Ang alam ko lang kasi
He's a straight guy.
drag queen sa Amerika.
Yeah,
Oo, na
yes.
super straight din na sumali sa RuPaul's Drag Race.
Correct.
Pero dito sa Baguio, meron?
Meron.
Ay, sino?
Hanapin. Roll VT. Charot.
Roll
Oo.
I think his name is Android.
Oo.
Yeah, he's a straight guy and he does drag. And it's funny because drag is opening as well to everyone. So may mga babae
Nice.
din na nagda-drag. Meron ding version ng drag na male version.
Oo.
Ang tawag sa kanila is drag king.
Drag king.
Drag king naman.
Kasi
Sila
usually,
naman,
kaya siya
lalaki.
tinawag na drag queen kasi male to female impersonation. Drag kings pag male
Male
to
to
female. Female
to
to
male.
male. Ganon. So nagkakaroon din ng confusion kasi there are a lot of ladies na nga rin na nagda-drag queen
Yes.
instead na mag-drag king. So parang tinatanong na nila, do you consider yung female na nag-impersonate ng female din as drag queens? Anong stand mo doon?
Yes, of course. Because drag is an art. Hindi siya exclusive to any gender. So, feel free to express who you are. So what you see on stage, yun yung parang pakiramdam ng drag queen sa sarili niya. So, siya talaga yun, yung pinapakita niya on stage. And it's nice to see females, straight man doing
Oo.
drag, and we're welcoming naman, so it's fun.
Yes,
It's nice.
totoo. Welcoming ang
pala
drag
yun.
community.
Pwede
Especially
pala.
dito sa Baguio. Like, meron nang nanalo, right? Nanalo from Baguio City. She actually represented Baguio City sa isang drag competition which is Drag Den, hosted by Manila Luzon.
Correct.
Ano kasi ulit
Her
pangalan
name
niya?
is Deja.
Si Deja.
Deja, they all, I guess, started from Planet G Music Box,
Oo,
which
oo.
I also started. Majority of Baguio Queens started in Planet G Music
Oo.
Box. I would say that's the cradle of modern drag in Baguio.
Yes.
So,
Kasi
sila,
bumubongga na,
yes.
no?
Oo,
Ang
na-
drag scene
nakilala.
dito.
super grabe na yung parang, I guess, acceptance ng people. Parang
Oo.
nakikita na nila na, drag is really an art. So,
Pero kung sakali man na gusto ulit ng mga tao na maging isang drag queen din, magkano ang kitaan? Oo.
Kailangan ko po yan. Kailangan ko po yan.
well, I would say na pag drag queen ka, never focus sa kitaan. Kasi
Oo.
mas malaki yung ilalabas mo kumpara sa kikitain.
Kikitain mo.
Yes.
Unless, kapag nakilala ka na nationally and internationally,
Yes,
right?
correct.
Kasi kapag binubuk ka na nila,
There's
ay,
already.
Alam na. Talagang
sorry,
mabenta ka na.
Mabenta ka na.
Correct.
Mas malaki na ang anda mo.
Correct.
Ganyan.
Yes, and then, ayun, may mga partnerships na like makeup. Ganyan.
Yes, yes.
So, yun, dun din kumikita.
Si Marina Summers nga shampoo.
Oo.
Oh, first drag queen.
Conditioner.
Oo,
Conditioner
first drag
yun.
queen na
Naging
ambassador,
ambassador.
for hair product.
Yes.
Right. Oo, nakakatuwa ano. Pero eto nga, gaano ba kahirap ang maging isang drag queen, especially na although sabihin nating open na ang karamihan pagdating sa community, meron pa rin naman, gaano siya kahirap na harapin?
I would say na on a daily basis, kailangan mo talaga ng commitment. Kasi, what you see as a performance na nakikita nyo on stage has been prepared either 5 days or 3 days before. So, nire-rehearse yan daily. And you really have to have a strong commitment of rehearsing, coming coming to the bar on time to rehearse. Of course, fixing and or even sourcing yung mga gagamitin mo. And also professionalism is one thing. So,
Parang ano po ba, pwedeng kahit, may specific po ba tayong bar or ano na doon lang po kayo magpe-perform or pwedeng kahit saan naman?
long as the bar encourages drag performance, kasi we have other bars that are here in Baguio na
Nag-i-invite na.
nag-i-invite ng
Oh.
drag performers, and it's nice. We also, some of them would go to Manila to perform. Ganyan.
Yung iba din sa mga birthdays, sa mga kasal, nai-invite
kasal
na rin ang mga
meron
drag queens sa
din.
mga ganyan. Mga year-end parties ng mga companies, meron na. So, hindi lang panggabi talaga. Sabi ko nga, ang mga drag queens. Because they can perform anywhere,
Anytime, yes.
anytime,
Oo.
in front of any who.
Pero do you plan po ba to join any drag race competition someday?
Crossing fingers, who knows?
Yeah, who knows naman talaga.
And I'll be back here and say hello.
Yes
Pero in
naman.
drag na as the Empress. So,
Yes.
speaking of pangalan na the Empress, almost all, kasi marami pa rin naman na gumagamit talaga ng totoo nilang pangalan when they do drag. Pero what is the story behind kung bakit nga ba nagkakaroon ng drag name ang isang drag queen?
I guess it's more of yung story that brought you there. Ganyan. So I guess we have personal experiences and I guess preferences as well na pipiliin mo for this name and all. Ganyan. Some of them would be catchy, funny, campy,
Oo.
ganyan.
Pero yung sa inyo po, sa ano po yung inspiration nyo? Bakit The Empress ang pinili nating name?
Well, my original or yung plano ko talaga as my original name was Empress Geisha. Geisha since, yung mga ancient people from Japan who are performing sa theater. They're males and then they're dressing up as a female and performing in theater. And then I dropped Geisha since it's a bit constricting kasi parang oriental lang yung
Yes.
yung side na yon. So I dropped Geisha and then started using the Empress na lang.
Meron marami actually magaganda ang mga pangalan ng mga drag queens like Courtney Act. Play on the word or phrase na caught in the act. Oo, Courtney Act.
Kasi yung
Mga
napanood ko sa,
ganon.
yung sa drag, parang si Angel, yung kapatid po ni Maxi, like, ginamit niya ng Angel.
Oo.
Pating si Maxi po, ganun po. Sino pa ba yung ibang kilala ko?
Marami
Marami.
actually ang magaganda. At saka yung iba din kasi, yung sinasabi kasi nila, when you are in drag, you're a different person or you are presenting a different persona. So, hindi sila yon. Kasi may mga drag queens na in real life, kapag wala na sila in drag, mga introvert. Pero
Really?
once na nag-drag sila, lumalabas
Malabas.
yung ibang character and they name that character at yun yung nagiging drag queen name nila.
Yung iba, yun din yung parang gusto nilang ilabas. 'Di ba?
Na mga hindi
Oo,
nila
na
nararamdaman
ilalamdaman.
talaga.
Oo, like naitatago nila. So, ito lang yung time para ilalabas ko kung sino
Yes.
ako. Ganon yung iba.
Yes.
And final question for you, gaano kahirap na you really have to make people happy despite having, your own personal problems?
I guess don't take it very personally. Pag nasa job ka, you really leave that behind. And then one thing is that pag nasa drag ka, iba yung persona mo pag nandun ka na sa stage. Naiiwan mo yung kung sino ka. Kasi iba ka talaga pag nasa stage. Ganun.
Yeah. So, just like any other jobs, Miss Angge,
Oo.
mga ka-MB, walang madaling trabaho.
Trabaho, yes.
Lahat kailangang paghirapan mo at lahat ng trabaho, you have to be professional
Yes.
whether or not may pinagdadaanan ka o wala.
Dapat sinasantabi mo lagi yung personal life mo at sa professional life mo.
You have to separate that
Yes.
always because separation
is the key to separate.
success. And keep off the grass while you are separating. Char! Ang dami natin mga
Pwede ka
kasabihan.
naman pala mag-perform, di ba? Pwede maging...
Kung magiging drag queen nga ako, sabi ko sa'yo, isa akong comedy queen. So I do not do splits.
Why not? not?
Pero magiging look queen din ako.
Why?
Yung tawag nila, look
Look
queen,
queen.
yung mga fashionista.
Pwede din. Oo,
Mm-mm, pwede yung mga ganyan. Pero katulad ng sinabi ni Chris, mahal.
Yun lang.
Mahal. You really have to invest a
Yes.
lot.
Correct.
Kasi just like any other jobs, being a drag queen is also a passion.
Correct.
Hindi lang naman siya yung tipong katulad ng sabi nga niya na hindi ka papasok doon para isipin mo kung magkano ang kikitain mo. Pero kung paano ka nakakatulong sa komunidad.
Tama. Tama talaga.
Diba?
Galing.
Any message out there
Yes
sa mga
po.
young queens who would
Wants
love
to-
to continue or pursue being a drag queen?
Well, pursue your dreams, continue practicing, and then surround yourself with people who would support you and teach you drag.
Ganun.
At sa
Love
mga iba ang pananaw sa mga drag queens,
Oh,
anong mensahe mo
mensahe
sa
mo.
kanila?
You're always free and welcome to watch us. So,
Totoo. Totoo. You can
Yes.
watch them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
para mabagong
papatunayan
pananaw.
namin.
Oo,
Yes.
kung sino
Diba?
sila. Diba?
Papatunayan namin kung sino ba talaga kami bilang isang drag queen at hindi lamang bilang isang katatawanan.
Totoo.
Oo,
Mm,
kasi
diba?
ginagawang katatawanan ng mga drag queens
Akala
yung
nila
iba.
yung iba tumatumbling-tumbling lang na.
Ano?
Hindi, diba?
Hoy, nasubukan ko mano talaga. Magugulantang ka dun sa mga death drop talaga. Nagde-death drop ka?
hindi.
Wag.
As a comedy camp, hindi.
Oo.
Sige,
ako
magda-drop.
Yeah.
Just!
Wag naman dito.
Hindi yan. Tsaka hindi ko kaya yon yung ginagawa nilang death drop.
Ano yun? Sapalaran yun. No?
Oo, hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari. Well, anyway, The Empress, Chris, maraming
Thank
maraming
you.
Thank you so
salamat
much po.
for introducing drag queens here in Morning Balitaktakan. Do you
Thank
want
you.
to say hi to anyone? Your
Gusto
friends
kong
from the
batiin.
drag scene?
Yes.
Hello, I just would like to greet Hive Bar, the center of drag excellence here in Baguio City, or even in the north. Hello, Sir Adrian, Sir Chino. And I'd like to say hello to Sir Bats and Sir Ryan sa Planet G Music Box. Namaste Arts and Coffee Pines Cafe. Thank you.
Ayun. Saan ka naman po makokontak
Oo,
just in case na
oo.
they want you to invite?
Oh, okay. You can contact me sa IG. My tag is cian.chelsea, or you can contact me at sa drag account ko, which is the.empress.dynasty.
Dynasty. May dagdag pa pala yung
May
Ang
dynasty pala,
Diba?
Tia.
I'm the queen.
Ang bigat.
Ang bigat.
Ang
Oo,
bigat
ang
ng
bigat.
pangalan niya. Papalitan ko rin yata yung pangalan ko.
Inspired ka ba?
Datu. Datu Pute.
Pwede din.
Hindi ko kinakaya. Pero anyway, thank you once again.
Thank you
At
very
sa lahat po
much.
ng mga nais na makapanood nga nito, marami po tayong bars dito sa Baguio City who offers drag shows.
Shows,
At
performance.
magagalang talaga, ang gagaling talaga ng mga drag
I can
queens ng Baguio
guarantee you
City.
that, yes.
And we're looking forward na meron ulit maipadala sa mga susunod na seasons ng RuPaul's Drag Race Philippines.
Why not? Diba? Aabangan po kita doon.
Malay mo ako ng next.
Next, oo. Aabangan
Oo.
ko kayo doon, diba? I would,
Yes.
Pwede
diba?
mo tayong dalawa.
Diba?
Tandem
batch.
queens. Ay, gusto ko yung mga yan kasi sa kanya ang pera. Sa
Oo,
akin na lang
ang
performance.
performance.
Oo, ganda-gandahan na lang tayo.
Ganda nilang ambag doon.
Anyway, maraming salamat muli sa mga ka-MV natin na tumutok na naman at nakipagsapalaran sa
Yes.
napakagandang umaga ng Morning Balitaktakan. Marami tayong natutunan, marami tayong tawanan,
Yes.
at syempre mga kaalaman na nalaman.
Yes. Napulot ng
Napulot.
mga nanonood ng mga ka-MB.